to the channel. This is an unboxing video of the Ultimate Makeup Kit by Superdrug, curated by Bryony Blake, who is a celebrity makeup artist who often appears on This Morning TV, showing her tips and tricks for the everyday woman. I saw that this kit was on offer for £10 in Superdrug, and I thought, why not treat myself, as the items look like something that I could use on a daily basis. As you open the box, there's this blurb where she talks about how makeup's been a love of her life and what her mission statement is concerning this box. It comes with this card, which is a tips and tricks guide with information on everything that's inside it, which is a good idea to help you know how to use each item. So the first item we have here is the B eyeshadow brush in number 402. The I Heart Revolution Nude Mini Eyeshadow Palette, which is full of everyday colors. Revolution Brow Fixer Eyebrow Gel in Clear. MUA Satin Lipstick in Trophy. Misguided Beauty Slick Flick Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. e.l.f. Putty Blush in Tahiti. The Studio London Eyebrush Set. B Eyelash Curler number 406. Revolution Pout Balm Lip Gloss and Kiss. Flower Beauty Warrior Princess Mascara. Nails Ink Polish in the color Flyby at Victoria. B Eyebrow Groomer number 501 has an angled end for eyeliner and a brush end which you can use on your brows or your lashes. So for £10 this was definitely a bargain buy. I paid less than what the original price was, which I can't remember right now, but now it's time to think about when I'm going to play in all this makeup. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.